It's your girl Chaplin, and we are back with another BB Gang reaction video.
Boom! I knew it was I was waiting for it. I was waiting for it. Even though I didn't catch all the way, I was waiting for it.
Okay, so yeah, anyways guys, we are back with another...
What the fuck?
You alright?
My bad, I was having a problem.
Okay. We're back with another reaction video. So I'm guessing this is a Trinidad
yeah, the person that requested this song, he commented under the Trinidad video that we did. So I'm assuming it's in Trinidad. I'm assuming it's another Trinidad person as well.
Okay, so
I never heard this, never listened to this person before, to be honest with you guys. I've never listened to this person before. I'm not sure who this is. I'm not sure what the song's gonna be. Yeah, we're just gonna dive into it. Like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. I'm coming to those guys think about this reaction.
Oh, by the way, the name is Tafari. I'm guessing it's Tafari.
Freak official audio.
Freak official audio.
Man, the Freak got a Freak song and no video, bro?
What?
Bro, what's up, bro? Alright, this oh, the title, I mean the thumbnail though.
Oh my gosh.
The ass look firm.
If you are so cocky, then do it. Nobody not gonna judge a girl. If you are.
You understand what I just said?
If you're so cocky, then do it.
Yeah, nobody's not gonna judge you. You know what's a cocky?
What? Like.
My girl, if you sucking cocky.
Oh, I didn't hear the sucky cocky part.
Okay, you know what I mean?
If you.
Yeah.
Give a head.
Yeah. Nobody's not gonna judge you. Then do it.
It's the way you fuck my good girl, and I go leave. I feel me love you more than the honor need. You want to get to me scheme, but when you're on my team, reminisce on the fuck, yeah, me feel it now my dream. Body nice, skin smooth, you're full of attitude, plus you're pretty and every. I feel like you up, girl, me need you like food. Yeah.
She said I need you like food.
Do you want to?
I like girls like that, you know what I'm saying? Let's do what you want. Take control, do what you want, bro. Don't take control, because I'm going to take control back. But let's do this. Let's do it.
Jesus Christ.
Good thing. Go crazy.
Just go crazy.
Go crazy. Yeah, go crazy. Do what you want. Go crazy.
Do whatever I want.
Nobody ain't going to judge you.
So if I wanna hang you from the headboard right there.
You ain't not hanging shit. You ain't tying up shit. I'm letting you know.
Babe, what if I want to get some handcuffs and handcuffs?
There's no handcuff, nothing. You ain't tying up shit in. What?
Why?
No handcuff, nothing. You ain't finna tie. What?
Why?
No, none of that.
What you mean none of that?
None of that right here.
Get one of them little spiderweb thingies and like tie you up in a little spiderweb
Undo what? Undo what?
Do what I want.
Shoot, you might set me on fire and run away. Well, I'm tired of it.
Take all your clothes and run away.
Hell no, you bugging out. You bugging out, cuz.
You bugging out, cuz.
Just do what you want to do. Yeah, we see that she do what she want, that she not give a fuck. She said the man above her the only one she judge. But I me alone get her we couldn't touch. She said it ain't tough, make us fight like dove. We just a fuck dog, we not have time for love. Girl, let me see amazing.
Come on, man, set it up.
Damn!
Me titi.
What if I hit me like that?
Stop, be careful. Take care of me.
You take care of me.
Me tell one time, you ain't much 3 times for.
That still hurt.
I'm rubbing for you.
Huh?
Rubby. Rub my shoulder. Rubby. Rubby, no?
I did rub it. Dude.
We know you like it rough, grab it by your neck. I fuck time, no one time to get there.
You understand that part? You like it rough, so grab it by your neck.
We know this is your first time fucking with a real.
She was looking way for me to grab her too. She was looking way for me. She thought I was gonna do it.
I really did.
Ex-money, my beginner. So nigga key up, make it rich, I'll leave. I make me pipi, but don't me out. I'll leave in ya. Do what you want, girl.
Do what you want, girl.
You're fucking a star, girl. Do what you want, eh. Do what you want, yeah. She do what she want, yeah. Do what you want, yeah.
Do what you want,
Do
eh.
what she want.
Take control.
If you are so cocky, then me. Nobody not gonna judge you, girl. If you are free, the way you fuck my good girl, me not gonna leave. I feel me love you more than the honey. You want to get to me scheme, but why you on my team? Reminisce on the fuck, got me feel it now my dream. Body nice, skin smooth, you full of attitude. But you pretty, I feel like you girl, me need that life.
Boy. Ow.
So just do what you want,
Do what you want, do. Okay.
Yeah, do what you want.
Just do what you want. Just do what you want, girl.
I was dreaming of a song.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like pussy amazing.
Pussy amazing. Hey, hey.
You fuck me the crazy.
You fuck me crazy.
Fuck me the crazy.
Yeah, you fuck me crazy.
Pussy amazing.
Pussy amazing. Yeah.
You fuck me the crazy.
You fuck me like crazy. You fuck me crazy.
Yo, you're started.
Do what you want, girl. Do what you want, girl.
Fucking a star, girl.
You fucking a star, girl.
Do what you want, yeah, she
Do what you want, yeah. Do what you want, girl. Do what you want, girl.
Do what she want.
Do what you want.
Bye, girl. If you are so cocky, then me. Nobody not gonna judge a girl. If you are free, the way you fuck my good girl, me not gonna leave. I feel me love you more than the honey. You want to get to me scheme, but why you on my team?
Okay, babe. Get on my face.
Body nice, skin smooth, you full of it. But you pretty and you now feel like you up, girl. Me need that like food. Yeah. Do you want to? Yeah. Yeah. Do you want? Yeah. Just do you want, girl? Yeah, yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, yeah, pussy good. Yeah, yeah, pussy good. Look at this song. Look at this song. Look at this song. You know, quick little one night stand and they'll go crazy type thing, you know? What do you think?
It was alright.
You alright?
It's alright.
I like this song, man.
The beat is nice.
It's slow pace. No little freak. Yeah, ain't no little freak. It's freaky. Alright, that's it, man. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. We're gonna catch you guys in the next video. Let's go.